using computer-controlled hoppers. Then, liquid eggs, milk, oil, and butter are added. The machine starts mixing at low speed, then gradually increases to high RPM. The result: a thick, smooth, creamy batter. Precision is everything. Even 1% error in measurements can ruin thousands of cakes. So everything is monitored via touchscreen control panels. Some factories also inject air into the batter to keep the cake trays move into large tunnel ovens. These are the heart of the cake-making process. Each oven is over 20 meters long and can bake thousands of cakes per hour. Inside the oven, cakes bake at 170 to 180 Celsius 340 F for 20 to 30 minutes. The conveyor speed is matched perfectly to baking. Now sent through slicing machines that cut them into individual servings, using laser guides and ultrasonic blades. Each cake is cut precisely with crumbling without damaging decoration for cupcakes or small sponge blocks. There's no slicing needed. They move to the wrapping section. The goal here is uniformity. Every piece must be exactly the same size and weight. even 5 grams to heavy or light. It's rejected automatically. Next, cakes pass through metal detectors and X-ray machines. These detect anything unusual, like tiny metal shards, plastic bits, or packaging errors. Random cakes are also taken aside by human inspectors. They cut them open, smell, taste, and feel the texture. Only the cakes that pass every stage are sent for delivery. This ensures 100% consistency, batch after batch. Hygiene protocols, behind-the-scenes protection. Hygiene in a cake factory is taken more seriously than you can imagine. Before entering the production area, every worker must wear gloves, hairnet, face mask, and clean uniform. Walk through air showers that blow off any dust, wash and sanitize their hands at automatic station. Shoes are dipped in disinfectant. MATs, no dirt allowed. Machines like mixers, slicers, and conveyors are cleaned multiple times daily using high-pressure steam. Food-safe chemicals of sanitizing lights. Air inside the factory is purified using